In this video, I'll show you how to install Conda using the Miniforge installer from Conda Forge. I have opened the website of Conda Forge here. It's simply conda-forge.org, and in here you can see the option to download the installer. So just click on this button. I'm using Linux Mint 64-bit. So I'll just click on this button. It's about 90 megabytes and it will be downloaded to the downloads directory. To install, I will need to run the installer from in a terminal. So I'll open a terminal now and then change into the directory containing the installer, which is downloads. To run this installer, you type in bash followed by the file name. So if I just press tab, it should autocomplete and then press enter. Now you need to review the license agreement to proceed. So press enter. Now here is a tip. Now if you have read this license agreement before, you can just press Q and then you can proceed towards the end of the license agreement. And you will see a prompt whether you will do you accept the license terms. You will need to type in yes to proceed. And the next question is where you would like to install Miniforge 3. Now I will just use the default. If you want, you can also type in the full path, type in a different location below. Okay, and the final question is whether you would like to initialize Conda by using this command, Conda init command. So I type in yes. What this will do is it will make Conda available in your path and also activate the base environment when you log in. Now I prefer not to do auto activate the base environment. So that is what they are mentioning here. Like if you don't need this, you can just use this command here once this procedure is complete to disable the auto activation of the base environment. So for now I will just type yes and press enter. Okay, so the installation process is complete. Now you need to close this terminal or open a new one. When you open a new terminal window, you can see that there is a label called base at the beginning of the prompt. This means the Conda base environment is active, and you will also be able to access the Conda command. This, for example, will just print the Conda version, so which is 25.3.1 at this time. Okay, now as I was mentioning before, I don't prefer to auto activate the Conda environment when I log in. So to disable the activation, let me just clear my screen. So the command to set the configuration is conda config set and then auto underscore activate base and then just false. Okay, you will not see any output, but now when you close this terminal and then open a new terminal session, you can see the base label is gone, but you can still access the conda command. Okay, which means now Conda is now ready to use. You can start creating environments and installing packages and so on. So that completes this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.